Okay, so exporting and copying figures will not do now. So now actually we'll start with today's topic, working with live scripts. So live script is a very, very important feature of MATLAB. So what is the difference between a normal script and a live script? Okay, see here, I'm showing you MATLAB for, assume this is your MATLAB window, what you see here. You have live editor. So live editor means, normal editor means it is a normal MATLAB screen where you can type the code, you can save it and then run. But what is a live editor means? In live editor, you can split your code into different segments. You see here, load data is one segment, plot price is one segment, annotate the plot is one segment. So I can split the code into each segment and I can run this segment alone and see the output. But in normal MATLAB thing, once you are writing the program means, once you are writing the entire program, if you use the run command to run the entire program. But in live script, I can run only portion of code which is required for me. To understand, that is the basic difference between your normal MATLAB script and live script. So we are going to see now what is meant by live script. Okay. So here we are going to same way. Here we are same example, Germany, Australia, Mexico example we are going to take, and we are going to see how I can work with live script in this example. See here. So here, whenever you are going to save any live script, it will be saved as gas.mlx. See, .m is your conventional MATLAB file, and .mlx indicates M for MATLAB, L for live, and script is X. So whenever you have an extension .mlx, it means that it's going to be a live script. Okay. So I am going to have this load function, and load function will load all the data for me. See here, I am just running the load function. The workspace, if you see, you will have all the data for Australia, Germany, Mexico, year, and it is all in gallons. Okay, so I want to convert gallons into liters. So I am using this conversion factor 0.2642 for converting gallons into liters.